The storm raged on, waves crashing violently against the rocky shore. The lighthouse keeper, a guardian of the seas, watches as a ship battles the ferocious elements. The crew on board frantic, their captain's gaze fixed on the distant light of hope. A lifeline in the darkness, guiding the ship towards a chance at safety. A risky gamble taken, the captain's only hope to save his crew from the relentless storm. The brink of disaster looming, a desperate bid for salvation in the heart of chaos. A moment of peril turned into a fleeting triumph, the fragile dance of survival in the tempest. Nature's wrath unleashed, a relentless onslaught that pushes all to their limits in a struggle for survival. A collective sigh of relief fills the air, gratitude mingling with exhaustion as the battle against the storm is won. The night sky clears, a moment of peace after the turmoil, a reminder of the fragility of life in the face of nature's fury.